today we're gonna learn color with the bubblegum machine. Wow, that's a big bubblegum machine, Zach.
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Oh, look at this. So many bubblegum.
I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
There's a lot in there, right?
Yeah.
So what we're supposed to do to get the gumballs out, Zach? You're supposed to put money?
Yeah, money.
Okay, so we have here money, and we're supposed to put money in the gumball machine, right, Zach?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Put money.
Twist.
Good job. Twist. Not the other side. You got it. Need some help?
Yeah, I need help.
Okay, mommies.
Go. Go.
Oh! Purple! Purple bubble gum! Wow! What? You're not supposed to eat it. We're supposed to show it. Gonna try again?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, put the money in there.
Mhm.
Okay. You want mommy to twist? Twist, twist, twist. Is it blue?
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh! Green! Good job! Green! Green color! Okay, let's see what the other is gonna be. Let's see what color, what color? What color? Oh! Red! Red color! Red color. So we have green and we have red. And blue. Let's see. Do you think this one's gonna be blue?
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh, you got it! Blue! Blue!
And I'm gonna eat it.
Blue!
And I'm gonna eat it.
Are you gonna eat it? No, we're not gonna eat it, right?
No.
We're not gonna eat it. Good job, Zach. Okay, let's put more money. Okay, let's twist. What color do you think is gonna come out, Zach?
Yellow.
Yellow? Okay, let's see if yellow comes out. Oh!
Another blue.
What? Another blue?
I'm gonna put it back.
You're gonna put it back? Okay.
I can't.
What? Okay, because we have double the blue. So Zach, put it back. Okay, so you want to put more money in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tacky cheese.
Oh,
Yellow.
come on, yellow, come on. Oh, another red.
Oh no! I'm gonna put it back.
Put it back. Okay. Let's see if we're gonna have yellow. Come on, yellow, get down, yellow. And 3, 2, 1.
Yellow.
Yellow, 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 go, yellow, go, go, go. Yellow! We did it, Zack! High five! We got yellow! Good job! So what color is this?
Red.
Red. What about this one?
Green.
Green. What about this one?
Red. Yellow.
This is blue. So we have red, green, blue, and yellow. Awesome job. Okay, Zach, we came to the end of the video. It's time to say
Bye. Bye.
okay. So what's your favorite gumball? What color?
Blue.
Blue. Zach's favorite is oopsie. Blue.